Are you tired of finding a good document scanner on your phone? Well, Google Drive might have the perfect upgrade coming your way. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. According to sources, Google is quietly testing a new, faster, and smarter AI-powered document scanner that promises to ditch manual steps entirely. Unlike the current scanner that requires you to tap or snap for every page, the new Google Drive scanner goes full automatic. You simply place your documents in front of your phone, and the AI will do the rest, from detecting scanning and saving every page continuously. There's a stop button too that lets you pause scanning, but even then, the AI still highlights the document with a colored outline so you know it's ready to capture when you resume. Not only this, the scanner's design is getting a fresh makeover too. The viewfinder now fills the top portion of the screen, replacing the old small rectangular box. Plus, after scanning, a playful animation circles the stop button, telling you it's done in an engaging way. This AI scanner test is rolling out through Google Workspace Labs, likely reaching more users soon by a prompt card in the app. The upgrade comes right after Google Drive's big visual makeover with Material 3 Expressive, Android's most colorful and user-friendly design yet. This new look brings brighter colors, easier layouts, and smoother navigation to devices like the Pixel 6 and the Pixel tablet. The new AI scanner fits perfectly with this update, making everyday tasks like scanning documents faster and simpler. So whether you're digitizing receipts, contracts, or school notes, Google Drive's upcoming AI scanner might just become your new assistant. Is this feature useful for you? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.